Unit 15. 1.1.
eh, eh, eh,
1.2.
I, eh, I, eh, I, eh,
2.
pin, pen, bin, ben, tin, ten, bill, bell.
3. A.
Have you got a pen?
B.
That's my Ben.
C.
That 10 is very small.
D.
Can I have the bill?
4.
Ben, Emma, clever, better, Fred, Jenny, very clever, best.
5.
Ben, Jenny, Emma and Fred are very clever. Ben is a very good student. Jenny is better than Ben. Emma is better than Jenny. Fred is the best student.
6. 1.
Ben is the best student.
2.
Jenny is better than Ben.
3.
Emma is better than Fred.
4.
Jenny is better than Emma.
5.
Fred is the best student.
Seven.
F, S, X, L, M, N,
8.
Left, L, E, F, T. Lesson, L, E, S, O, N. Boxes, B, O, X, E, S. Next, N, E, X, T. Listen, L, I, S, T, E, N. Men, M, E, N. Money, M, O, N, E, Y. Funny, F, U, N, Y.
9. Group 1.
red, apple, clever,
Group 2.
better, egg, banana,
Group 3.
cinema, bell, television,
Group 4.
pen, man, men.
Group 5.
Exercise, second, tea.